as we are growing in technology, we were not supposed to grow for the outer world, we were supposed to explore ourselves. But we have explored the whole universe and forgotten to explore ourselves. So somehow we are not in tune, in sync with the world. So that's why we are stressed, so called. No? We always call the stress management things, and we try our modules with diet, with exercise and multiple things, and then we fail. So what is the reason that we fail in managing our stress? What can you brainstorm about it? Like, what can you say about it? Why we don't manage our stress?
Problem is we are not even thinking about stress at times. We are so stressed.
So are we required to have this?
No, perhaps not.
We are not required to have it, but we have it.
We use mobile. You are using a very nice cover for it.
Thank you.
Why?
I'm using the cover mainly to prevent my mobile from crashing.
After
Good.
crash, we can mend it. We
Cost-
have many.
It costs money.
It costs money. Doesn't this cost money?
That's negligible compared to what that costs.
Yeah. We all are busy, for sure. But we are not stressed. Right now, I was in Glenmark company. So the HR had been saying, Namrata, remove that word stress. I said, I really want that to happen. And that is my mission is. Why people always say I'm stressed? I always say I'm enjoying my life. As we go for work, we are saying, see, husband kamala jaayega. This today also we have to go for work. Today also we have to have so many files to see on. Why can't we say, wow, I have 10 files today to work on? Okay, when you go for picnic, what you say?
You enjoy it.
Enjoy, no? Even if you are walking 10 kilometers, you will say, wow, I am on it. There is a word called wow. No, I am on trek, I am on cruise, I am on. But isn't that more stress than what we are having here?
No, I mean in terms of walking and all that, probably you enjoy walking.
Yeah, simply. So you can enjoy your work also. Your spirituality or social sense grows or enhances or take care of your emotions. An emotional being take care of your intellectual, and intellectual run your physical. Where are we taking care of ourselves? Physical, emotional, intellectual, where? Where we have put our covers. See, all our stress is because of our five senses. If you just simply close down everything, every sense, isn't that a relaxation? Doesn't require anything else. It doesn't require anything. Right in your chair, after 2 hours of work, after 1 hour of work, I think a power nap as we take, you can take 5 minutes or 2 minutes break. Just close your eyes and do nothing. No mantra, no chanting, nothing. Simply sit. It can refresh you immediately. So such tools which are with our routine works. Not sitting in front of that idiot box, but for surely spending some time with the children. Even they will be happy to have their parents with them. It's a most easy way of recreation. So going in quantum science is not difficult. Yeah, I know the subject itself is difficult one, because if you go with the scientific terms, it is. We talk about signal-less communication. That means your consciousness works first and then your conscious works. We are going away from Newtonian science. Matter. Matter will work only if energy is there. If energy is not there, this matter is of no use. So consciousness is that energy of ours which make us work. But we are not aware of that. So being aware of it, then utilizing it, and then enhancing it is must. So stress management is nothing else, just having a different perception of our life.